What's up, guys? We're back tonight with another video. This is my tree house. And there's the swing. And just saying, our cameraman for today is very fat. No, the man that is being in the video is very fat. And has a very big buttocks. And I am very struggling to climb up. Yes, the floor is broken. Yes, the floor is a little bit broken, but yes. This floor has a massive hole what a goat can fall through. And see, I don't like stepping on holes the goats can sleep through. Who's that? You come here, only secure place in the tree house is the stump. You have to sit on the stump, pee on the stump, and dance on the stump. Now let's go down. Never let's jump through that hole. Ah! Just joking. Yes. Now. But look at the view. Yes, it has a very nice view onto a truck yard. And as you can see, it's very mossy and stuff. Mossy? It's not mossy. And yes. No. So that is what we don't. Yeah. And the wood is rotten. Remember? Yes, the wood is rotten. Hi. Hier. Camera moet naar mij toe wijzen. And the wood is very rotten. Like the fat cameraman always. You are rotten. And I am not fat. Now let's go down. And please like this video that we can fix the tree house. Yeah, you see it needs a bit work. But we have a swing that hurts you. And we have other way to get up. But yeah, so like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Till the next guy. Bye.